Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's crack it. And after a long time, I'm back with a new video which is about the Infosys previous questions asked in August 2021. And if I'm not wrong, most of you guys are going to attempt Infosys in coming week, which is in November. So definitely this video will be very helpful for you to know what kind of questions are asked in Infosys. And without any delay, let's start our video. And before that, if you guys like my content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And the very first question is here, and I'll be telling you the approach how to solve the question, and also I'll be revealing the solution for you guys. And if you look into the question, in a placement drive in X college, 350 students took part, 250 were placed in Google, 190 in Amazon, and 5 students were not selected in any. How many were selected in Google but not Amazon? See, this question is very clearly, we can see that it uses the formula A union B, A intersection B simply. So if we observe, separate students placed in Google consider as A, and students placed in Amazon as considered as B. And if you consider the A union B, total 350 will be the universal set, but only 5 among them are not selected in any. So 350 minus 5 will be 345 will be the union. We are given the A union B, A and B, and find the A intersection B first of all. So the A intersection will be 350 minus 250 plus 190. So after getting the A intersection B, you find out how many selected in Google but not Amazon. So A minus A intersection B gives exclusive A. So the answer will be 155 for us. 250 minus 95 will be the answer, and our answer will be 155. This is the answer. I hope you guys have understood. If you have any kind of doubts, please comment under the video. And here is the second question. And before that, if you guys can comment anything like your doubts, or if you need any extra explanation, or also you can comment your own method of solving the question. And second question is, we are given two different data sets, data set 1 and data set 2, and we are asked data set 2 is greater than 1 by blank. So it is very simple guys, just find out the sum of all the elements in data set 1 and the sum of all elements in 2, and find out the difference, and the difference will be your answer, and the final answer you will be getting 20. Yeah, and coming to the third question, it's also a very easy question. The sales by a shop for the week are given like 2800, 3300, total 7 different values are given. Find the average sales per day. The only way of solving is this is to find out the arithmetic average. I think you guys know it very well. Arithmetic average formula is the sum of the all observation divided by the total number of observation, and you have to sum up all these sales and divide it by 7 because total number of sales are 7 values. The answer will be C. And proceeding to our next question, fourth question. See here the question is cost of mango, grapes and banana, papaya in a city are given. Three different values. The cost of three different fruits are given. And then the cost of 2.5 kgs of mangoes is equals to what percent of 3 kgs grapes. I think this is easy. 2.5 kg of mangoes. What is the cost? What will be the cost? For 1 kg, 60 rupees. 2.5 kg, the cost will be 150. And here 2.5 kg cost will be 150. And then is equals to what percent of 3 kg grapes? 3 kg of grapes cost us 5 grapes per kg 80. So 240. And the percentage, you know how to find the percentage, is equals to 150 by 250 into 100. The answer will be 62.5. Yeah, and proceeding to the fifth question, I think this will be the most easy question asked in that slot, but the condition will be only if you know the concept very well. The frequency of an observation cannot be. By definition, first of all you need to know the frequency. See, if you take a data, if you consider a data set and there is a particular data element, If you want to know how many times the data element is repeated in the data set, it is termed as frequency. For example, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3. If you want to find the frequency of 1 in this data set, the frequency will be 3 because 1 is repeated 3 times. Can you tell that the frequency will be 1.5 or 1.2? No, because it should be only a whole number. The frequency is always an whole number. So option C will be the answer. It cannot be the observation. And coming to the sixth question, it's one of the interesting questions because here Shyam, there is a particular candidate, Shyam ranks 10th from below and 8th from the top in a class and total strength of the class. Let us consider here the Shyam. His rank is 10th from below. For example, if you consider from below, his rank is 10th. And from above, if you consider his rank is 8th. So what does it mean? We can simply say that below Sham there are 9 members because his rank is 10th. So below him there are 9 other members, and from considering from the top there are only 7 members. There will be 7 members because his rank is 8th. So the final answer will be 7 above Sham and 9 below Sham plus 1 because Sham will be 1%. So total answer will be 17. And moving on to the next question, a batsman has scored 4 sixes, 11 boundaries or fours, and 22 runs between the wickets. And if he had faced total 60 balls, what will be his average run per ball? And the simplest way of solving is to find the average total number of runs scored by him divided by total number of balls faced. And 4 sixes will give him fetch him 24 runs, and 11 boundaries will fetch him 44 runs, and 22 runs between the wickets. So adding all these 24 plus 44 plus 22 gives us 90. So total 90 runs, and to find the average 60 balls. And what will be the answer? 1.5 will be the answer. And proceeding to the next question, eighth question. A pie chart contains an area A. A section in the pie chart subtends an angle 12 degrees. So what is the area of the section? So the question is simple, guys. We are given a pie chart. Suppose this is a pie chart, and a small section in this pie chart is subtended at 12 degrees, and 12 degrees. This is of 12 degrees. And if the area of the pie chart is A, what will be the area of the small section which subtended 12 degrees? I think this will be very simple. The answer will be area A for 360 degrees. A for 360 degrees, and what will be the area for 12 degrees into 12? This is the answer. A into A by 360 into 12. This is the answer, and the final answer will be A by 30. And the next question is, what is the difference between the median and the mean of the data? And simple, the mean of any data will be the sum of the observation by number of observation, and the median will be the middlemost element. If we consider the median, and we have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order, then finding the middlemost element will be our median. If we contain two elements, then the median will be the average of the middle two elements. And for this question, the answer we will be getting is 2.5. And moving on to our last question in this session is 4 times the cube of a number. 4 times, let us consider the number will be the x, and 4 times the cube of number decreased by 32 times the square of same number. So decreased by mean 32 minus 32 x square, which equals to, which will be equals to 64 times the x. And this is a very simple question of quadratic equation. If you know how to solve the quadratic equation, the answer you will be getting. And first step will be cancelling the common term, common x term. So the final equation becomes 4x square minus 32x is equals to 64. And Also cancelling 4. So x square minus 16x minus 16 is equals to 0. The answer will be 4. Simply solving the quadratic equation. And by this we came to the end of our session. Guys, if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and I will be posting more interesting content. And one more most important thing is that Infosys is going to ask some typical reasoning questions, and definitely I'll be helping, posting my other videos related to those topics. Bye, goodbye.